APJ Abdul Kalam, in full Awul Pakir Jainul Abidin Abdul Kalam, born October 15, 1931, in Rameshwaram, India, died July 27, 2015, Ceylon. Indian scientist and politician who played a leading role in the development of India's missiles and nuclear weapons program. He was President of India from 2002 to 2007. Kalam earned a degree in aeronautical engineering from the Madras Institute of Technology. In 1958, joined the Defense Research and Development Organizations. In 1969, he moved to the Indian Space Research Organizations, where he was projected director of SLV-3, the first satellite launch vehicle that was both designed and produced in India. Rejoining DRDO in 1982, Kalam planned the program that produced a number of successful missiles, which helped earn him a nickname Missiles Man. Among those successes was Aggie India's first intermediate range ballistic missiles, which incorporated aspects of the SLV-3 and was from 1992 to 1997. Kalam was scientific advisor to defense ministers, and he last served as principles of scientific advisor 1999 to 2001 to the government with the rank of cabinet minister. His prominent role in the country 1998 nuclear weapons tested solidified India as a nuclear power and established Kalam as a national hero. Although the test caused great concern in the international community. In 1998, Kalam put forward a countrywide plan called Technology Vision 2020, which he described as a roadmap for transforming India from less developed to the developed society in 20 years. The plan called for, among other measures, increasing agricultural productivity, emphasizing technology as a vehicle for economic growth, and widening access to healthcare and education. In 2002, India's ruling National Democratic Alliances (NDA) put forward Kalam to succeed outgoing President Kocheril Rahman Narayanan. Kalam was nominated by the Hindu nationalist Hindutva NDA, even though he was Muslim and his stature and popular appeal were success that even the main opposition party. The Indian National Congress also produced his candidacy. Kalam easily won the election and was thrown in as India 11th President of largely ceremonially agriculture productivity, embracing technology as a vehicle of economic growth and winding access to healthcare and education. In 2002, India's ruling National Democratic Alliances put forward Kalam to succeed outgoing President Kocheril Rahman Narayanan. Kalam was nominated by the Hindu nationalist NDA, even though he was a Muslim and his stature a popular appeal were success that even the main opposition party. The Indian National Congress also proposed his candidacy. Kalam easily won the election and was from in as Indian 11th President as largest ceremonial post in July 2002. He left office at the post in July 2002. He left office at end of his term in 2007 and he was succeeded by Pratibha Patel in country first woman president. Upon returning to civilization's life, Kalam remained committed to using science and technology to transform India into a developed country and served as a lecturer at several universities on July 27, 2015. He collapsed while delivering lecture at Indian Institute of Management, Ceylon, and was pronounced dead from cardiac arrest soon after. Kalam wrote several books, including in autography, Wings of Fire 1999. Among his numerous awards were two of the country's highest honors, the Padma Vibhushan 1990 and the Bharat Ratna 1997. Thanks for watching.